Welcome to Emmelac online tutorial. Let us look at this question, and it reads that if 5 plus log y base 2 equals 2 log x base 2, express y in terms of x. So how do we go about this? Let's get started. So for us to express y in terms of x, all we just need to do here is first, let us recall that log a base a equals 1. Okay, so the above equation we can rewrite it as 5 times 1 then plus log y base 2 then equals, now using the power log over this, take note the power log tells you that if you have a log b, this gives you log b raised to a. Then applying this power log to this here, we have log x raised to 2 base 2. And let us take note that we have 1 here, okay, and we'll need to transform this 1 to a log of base 2. So this gives us that 5 then times log 2 base 2 then plus log y base 2 equals log x raised to 2 base 2. Okay, we can also use the power log to transform this. So here we have log 2 raised to 5 base 2 then plus log y base 2 then equals log x raised to 2 base 2. So the next we need to do here is take note that at this point here 2 raised to 5, that should give us a 32. So here we have log 32 base 2 then plus log y base 2 then equals log x raised to 2 base 2. Now but take note we are asked to express y, so which means all we just need to do is to make y the subject of relation. So by so doing, all we need to do now is let us take this then move it to the left, to the right hand side. So this becomes log y base 2 equals log x raised to 2 base 2 then minus log 32 base 2. And let us take note of this law in logarithm. When you have log a, okay, minus log b, this gives you log a all over b. So which implies that we will apply that rule to this, so which gives us that log y base 2 equals log x raised to 2 all over 32 base 2. Okay, now since we have log base 2 here and log base 2 here, so it means we can just equate the arguments. Okay, so in this case here we now have that y equals x raised to 2 all over 32. So this is the final answer, making y or expressing y in terms of x. Please don't forget to share this video with other learners. Thank you and God bless you. Bye bye.